everyone. Today, I will going to demonstrate and explain the skills of spiking or attacking in volleyball.
Attacking or spiking is used to score a point by hitting the ball into the opponent's court. Spiking involves three main steps: approach, jump, and hit. The player approaches the ball using proper footwork, jump at the right time, and hits the ball at the highest point using a strong arm and swing. The goal is to send the ball downward into the opponent's court. Tips: time your jump properly. Use a strong arm swing. Hit the ball in front of your shoulder. Aim downward. Common mistakes: jumping too early or too late. Weak arm swing. Poor timing. Incorrect body position. Attacking is important for scoring. That is the proper way of spiking. Thank you.